Good day everyone. We are group 3 and our chosen real world topic is the number of vehicles passing by at Tindalo Street every 1 minute. Our X is the number of vehicles passing by at Tindalo Street every 1 minute, and our frequency is the number of minutes a certain number of vehicles was counted. As you can see in the table, we saw one vehicle every 1 minute 7 times. And another example is we saw 9 vehicles every 1 minute 2 times. And now let's add up all the frequencies. 7 plus 8 plus 8 plus 5 plus 2 is 30. Now we have 30 observations.
P of x 7 divided by 30 equals 0.2333. 8 divided by 30 equals 0.2667. 8 divided by 30, 0.2667. 5 divided by 30, 0.1667. 2 divided by 30 equals 0.0667.
X times P of x. 1 times 0.2333 equals to 0.2333. 3 times 0.2667 equals to 0.8001. 5 times 0.2667 equals to 1.3335. 7 times 0.1667 equals to 1.669. 9 times 0.0667 equals to 0.6003. So, para makuha natin ang mean, ipag-add lang natin lahat ng total ng x times p of x. So, 0.2333 plus 0.8001 plus 1.3335 plus 1.1669 plus 0.6003 is equal to 4.1341. Yun po ang mean natin.
So x minus mu, our x is 1 and the mu is 4.1341. So 1 minus mu will be negative 3.1341 and 3 minus mu will be negative 1.1341. 5 minus mu will be 0.8659 and 7 minus mu will be 2.8659 and last is 9.9 negative mu will be 4.8659.
Hi everyone, this is Rian Sophia Jonalas Ignacio and I'll be the one explaining to you guys paano nga ba natin nakukuha yung x minus mu squared. So first, kailangan muna natin makuha or mahanap yung x minus mu. So sa example namin is meron kaming negative 3.1341. So i-raise by 2 lang natin siya. Bali, ang magiging sagot pag pinundot natin sa calculator is 9.82258. So, dahil 4-digit number lang ang kinukuha sa huli, is, ang magiging sagot natin is 9.8226. Bakit nga ba 9.8226 yung magiging sagot? Yan. So, yun yung magiging sagot natin imbis na 9.8225 kasi ang nasa huling number natin is 9, which is kapag 5 pataas yung nakuha nating number sa 5th number is i-round off natin yung pang 4th. Okay? Bali sa second example namin is negative 1.1341. Ang magiging sagot natin doon pag ni-raise natin siya by 2 is 1.28662. Then, sa next is 0.8659. Ang magiging sagot natin doon, pag na-raise by 2 natin siya, is 0.7498. And sa next is 2.86 8.8659. Ang magiging sagot doon is 8.2134. So, sa last one naman natin is 4.8659. So, ang magiging sagot natin doon, pag na-raise natin siya by 2 is 23.677. So, that's all. Bye-bye!
So let's move on how can we get the x minus mu squared times p of x. So as we can see here, our x minus mu squared was 9.8226 and our p of x is 0.2333. Itatansil natin sila sa isa't isa, so we got the 2.2916, same as the others. So we got a total of 2.2916, 0.3430, 0.2000, 1.3692, 1.5793. Ipa-plus din natin yung mga totals to get the variance po. So we got the total of 5.7831 as our variance, and our final answer for the variance is E2 equals 5.7831. And that's how we can get the x minus mu squared times p of x and our variance po.
Our variance is E2 equals to 5.7831, and pag in-square root po natin siya, we will get a standard deviation of 2.4048.